Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. So today I'm gonna show you how to secure perfect domain for electronics business on your online store on Shopify, easy and quick. So we are now on the home page. So the first thing here, you have to follow the setup guide. So you have first to add your first product. You have to add product, and now you have to add the title, the description. You can describe what you want in your text, and it's gonna generate it for you. You can generate the text easily from here. You can also upload the media. You can customize the price and options. You can manage the inventory and the quantity settings and the shipping settings. And the last thing here, to save this and go to the next step, customize your online store. So as you see now, you can select your favorite one, and you can click just here, customize, and it's gonna customize. The next step is name your store. Okay, so you can name something related to your business, and add your store phone here, save it. The next step is set your shipping rates, choose where you ship and how much you charge you, so your customers can see their shipping costs at checkout. The next step, set up a payment provider. Choose a payment provider to start accepting payments. And the last one, place a test order. Make sure things are running smoothly by placing a test order from your own store. So before you launch your store, you have to fix these settings right here. So start from the store details, the profile. You can manage the profile and manage the billing information, and the store currency, and you can also manage the time zone and the needs of measurements, and save it and go to the next section. Now you can choose your plan or pick your plan. So as you see here, you can select the basic or select Shopify or advanced. So all of them you have to pay $1 for your first month. And here we have more ways to sell, starter or retail. So both of them you have to pay $1 for your first month. And the third one here, $300 for the 3 years. Okay, so that's it. Now let's go back. Here we have the billing. So here you have to add payment method for purchase and bills and Shopify. So you can add the payment method. Here you have to enter your information, the card number, the expires, the billing address, the country and the region, the first name, the last name, and the address, and add the credit card. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section, users and permissions. As you see here, you can manage what users can see or do in your store. Also here you can compare plans, select a subscription plan that includes additional staff, accounts, and control who can do what. Here we have the payments. As you see here, the payment provider, you can choose a provider, and providers that enable you to accept payment methods at a rate set by the third party. An additional fee will apply to new orders once you select a plan. So you can choose a provider, you can choose one and contact a provider. That's it. Now let's move on to the checkout. So here you have to manage the checkout, the customer contact method, the customer information, the full name, the company name, the address line, the shipping address. Here if you wanna manage the marketing options, customize the sign up labels. You can also manage the collection preferences settings. Here you can add additional scripts, and the last thing here, to save it and complete and continue. So today we talk about how to secure perfect domain for the electronics. So the first thing, go to the domains and buy a new domain, and here you can enter your domain. As you see here, you can buy a domain, so you have to pay $15 for every year. And here we have other results, so you can buy others. Just click here, and I didn't fix the billing yet, so you can go back and just follow the steps that I said and it's gonna work with you. So that's it. Now let's move on to the customer events. As you see here, nothing special. We can just add custom pixel, add pixel name, and add pixel. Let's move on to the brand. So as you see here, you can manage the essential default logo, square logo, the colors, the cover image. So as you see here, you can add default logo used for most common logo applications, the square logo used by some social media channels, may be cropped into a circle. Here if you want to add some colors, primary colors or secondary colors, here we have the cover image, key image that shows of your brand and profile page and apps. Here you can add description, short description of your business, often used in bios and listings. And the last thing here, to add social links. Okay, now you can go to the notifications and manage the customer notifications, staff notifications. Okay, so here you can manage these settings right here, the staff notification settings, new order, new return request. Okay, you can manage this fulfillment request notifications, manage this webhooks settings. That's it. Now let's move on to the next, custom data. So here you can add a custom piece of data to a specific part of your store. If you want to add another language, you can go to the languages settings and select your language. Here we have the customer privacy, so you can go to privacy settings, privacy policy, cookie banner, data sales opt-out page. So that's it. Here we have the policy settings, policies. You can manage the store policies and do write-in, return and refund policy, privacy policy, terms of service, shipping policy. So that's it. So before this, if you follow this setup guide and fix the settings, you can go and start selling and start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.